final drive. Well, not the final drive, but almost. Excited? It's your last drive.
It's not my last. I'm not excited about it being my last drive. I'm actually very sad.
Well. Oh, there you go.
No, it's a very basic version.
Oh, yeah. Same course though, just different. Ours is a better colour. We're now at the midwife appointment at 𝚆𝙴𝙻𝙲𝙾, and then we're going to go pick up the car. See it all packed up. Look, there's all the stuff there. Cars all empty now. Oh, the sunglasses. Cars all empty. I forgot the sunglasses. Goodbye.
Yeah, it'll be nice.
The new car. The new car. This is it.
How am I going to get out?
You're going to have to reverse.
Oh.
Sharp brakes. Look, it's got reverse cam.
Just let those people go past. Where's the...
Very nice.
Are you looking
Car's
for that
coming
car
up.
behind?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, these brakes are really... Oh, it's because they've just changed them.
Yeah, they just changed the brakes, so they're very sharpy. That's not staying there, by the way.
Oh, bloody hell. No,
You've had it for you've had it for a little while now. What do you think?
yes, very good.
Drives right, it's quick, isn't it?
Yes, so quick.
Yes, it's very nice. We completely forgot to vlog. So yeah, I've just realised we didn't do very much vlogging, but we just sort of had a day with the families. Went to my mum's, went to Charles' nan's and her mum and everything. But yeah, it's a really nice car. We're really enjoying it. It's very happy. You're very happy, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah, it's lovely.
There's so many things that we've just noticed. Like, we open the car doors at night and the lights underneath the mirrors come on, and the front headlights come on. There's indicators on the wing mirrors, whereas on my old car they didn't have that.
Yeah.
There's a little light in there even.
Yeah. It's lovely.
This is the stuff we've got for Easter. So I've got a Billie Eilish record from my uncle. Favourite song. And I've got this from my uncle. Ta-da! Got this from my nan and granddad's. Screws. Vegan chocolate bunny. That's from my nan and granddad. And then I got this from my mum and my dad. 𝚂𝚗𝚗𝚗𝚗. And Reese got that from my mum and also from his mum. And then that's from my nan. Oh, and then I got this from Reese's mum. So yeah, we've got lots of chocolate.
So we're now on the way to Legoland on Easter. It's Happy Easter, everyone. It's Easter Sunday today.
We literally live so close to Legoland.
Yeah, we do. You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're like 15 minutes away from Legoland. So it's not too bad at all. We're in the Lego shop now. Oh, that cup's cool. These are cups.
Oh, these are mugs. I was about to say, what's that?
Lego. Oh, that's cool as well, the Pac-Man machine.
Yeah, I've seen that
expensive.
before.
Yeah, but that's well expensive. New ride, I don't know if you've seen it anywhere, but here's the new ride being built. Oh look, it goes up. That's pretty cool actually.
Do you think we don't?
Char got a vegan hot dog. I got an on one, it's very professional. And Char's one, yummy. Just queuing for the laser crush right now. I don't know if I showed them. That's what queuing for. Get on. Now on the fairy tale Brook. It's about the only two things Char can go on. Oh dear.
lost your ball? Oh, that took a long time. So how many is that? 2, 3, 4.
Well done.
I just got a hole in one. Goes through there.
Huh? I'm not playing it there.
3. What's it doing? This is bad. 12. What's he on? This is bad. 7, 8, 9. You're actually going to lose the whole game now. 10. Do it lighter. 11. You've done it. 11. Lights down. You might as well pull that down. 12. 14 shots. Where's the last score? I'll show the scores. So playing another game because you do £5.
Do you have to show the last game scores?
Yeah. So Dad came first.
So I don't know if you can see everyone.
Why didn't you write Mum and Dad?
I don't know.
Anyways.
You're next.
Dad won. I'm showing the scores. Dad won with 23. Callum was next with 28. Me then with 31. Mum came with 41 and 3 to 47. Let's keep that forever.
You're back.
Please.
I'm recording. Good job you didn't.
You're in the wrong place.
I still.
I'm never going to go and deal with it. 2. Well, let's go back. You can't even see it.
Did it?
Reese's birthday, so I've set up for him.
Come on, we got burn candles.
Make a wish.